Isa pa. Magbalot ka ulit ng isa. Tingnan natin. Presentation. How it's made.
Order nyo, boss?
Isang ano, yung pinakamaraming laman.
Okay, boss. Toasted o ano, sir?
Toasted naman lahat eh.
Overload yan, sir. Kamot muna ako, sir. Wait lang, ah.
Wag.
Sa inyo, kumakamot. Alright. Bigyan natin. Onion, sir? Onion?
Oo, sige. Nandyan na eh.
Lot of onion?
Lot of eggs.
2 eggs, sir?
Dahil sige isa lang.
That's the overload, sir.
Over ka na
Overload.
dyan. Kakaload. Thanks man.